Yes, let's look at the following logs. We are told to find this log 32 to base 4. Is that? So how do we go about solving it? We simply say that therefore log 432 is equal to what? X, is it not? So now what do we write first? We write the base, is it not? 4 to power what? X equal to what? 32. Now we know that 4 is what? 2 to power 2, is it not? So we can write it like this, 2 to power 2 instead of 4 equal to 32. And 32 is what? 2 to power what? 5, is it not? So we can now have that this is 2, this is 2. So we have only 2x is equal to what? 5. So x is equal to what? 5 over what? 2. That is the answer. So that is this first one. So the second one says what? Log 10x equal to what? 4. So how do we rewrite this? We can say that the base, which is what? 10, is it not? To power what? 4 is equal to what? X, is it not? So we can simply say that x is equal to 10 to power what? 4, and x is equal to what? 10 to power 4 is what? Is it not? 10,000. So this is the final answer. Are we together on this? Yes. Then the last one says what? Log x 81 is equal to minus what? Half. So how do we rewrite this? We write the word base, which is what? 81 to power what is here? Minus half is equal to what? X. Is that? Is equal to what? X. So what do we do now? We simply say that, what do we do now? This is what? This is the same thing as saying 81. This is the same thing as saying 1 over 81 to power half equal to what? X. 81 to power half is what? This is the same thing as saying 1 over root 81 equal to what? X. Is that clear? Root 81 is what? 1 over what? 9 equal to what? X. So this is the answer. X is equal to 1 over 9. So you must always write it in form of index notation. This is the log rotation, this is the index. Anything the base, let it be raised to power what is here. Then you write this one, then you break it down. So that is how you solve this. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes. So write all of them. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section, like and share our videos. Thank you.